today, this is where we are going to craft a policy that will guide our tourism for the next, 5 years, the next 7 years, which is something again that the groups need to agree with. What is the lifetime of our policy? You might want to have a cycle of 5 years. You might want to take this policy up to 2030, which would then, I suppose, give us something like 7, 8 years. But it's really up to yourself to say what cycle you have or we want to have in terms of the policy.
We are excited to be part of this as the Manicaland tourism players. We are excited to come to this consultative meeting that has been facilitated by our ministry, mainly to review how the industry has performed over the years ever since the National Tourism Policy was put in place.
The first thing I would encourage us as players is to appreciate we are not as small as before. And the second thing is to harness our efforts, because there is too much individualism. This one is doing their own thing, but we need now to combine our efforts and make Manicaland bigger, because it's already big. It's just waiting for us to put our ideas together and sell that is already ready for the market.